Hey beauties, it's Nikea here with a makeup tutorial for you. So you've seen this look before. I had it in my most recent mom life videos. So I was like, I need to recreate this because I really liked the look when I did it. And I just did it randomly one morning before going to work, like just no thought. And I was just like, oh, I want to put these colors on my eyes. So I did, and I was looking back at it, I was like, oh, that is cute. So I decided to do a video on it, and then one of my subscribers also mentioned how the look was cute. So I figured, hey, maybe other people want to see. So this is the look, just in case you haven't seen it. And if you want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. All right, my base is already done for this look. Get my hair out the way. So I'm just gonna be focusing like on the eyes and everything else to go with this burgundy. But I do want to add some setting powder to my face because I feel like I'm sweating. I did go to work today. So I'm gonna use my black Radiance loose setting powder. I'm gonna put that underneath my eyes and then just a little bit on those shiny bits on my face. All right, that took some of the shine off. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of my LA Girl Pro Concealer to prime my lids. Gonna use this crease brush, and I'm gonna be using the Itsmyrayeraye palette for this look. So I'm going to start with Spice as my transition color. My hand hurts from blending. Oh my gosh. But as you can see, I did go back and add a little bit more. I like this as a transition color because it's not my skin tone, but it goes well with my skin tone and adds a little bit of definition to my eye, and it just adds like another pop of color. But next I'm gonna use this fluffy blending brush, very fluffy. Still using the Itsmyrayeraye palette, and now I'm going to go into this color, which is Sunset. It's like a reddish orange, maybe like a terracotta color, and I'm gonna put this above my crease and a little bit into my crease. And I'm just going back lightly and just adding color until I get the pigment that I want. So I have that transition color, and then I have Sunset, which is a transition from the transition color. So it's like all connecting. That transition color has like orangish, brownish tones, and then this one has orangish, reddish tones, which is going to go with the overall look. All right, so that's what we have so far. And blending is key, you all. And I like this brush because it's so fluffy. It's so loosely packed, and the bristles are long. So you just really have to, you can use a light hand and get what you need. Now, still using Ray. I am going to take another blending brush. So this is a fluffy blending brush, but if you look at the comparison, like look how long this one is in comparison to this one. So this one's a little shorter, but it's still fluffy. But I'm still going into Ray. And I'm going to go into Friday right here, which is this magenta burgundy-ish color. And all these colors are like super pigmented. They're just amazing. So I'm going to go onto that outer V and directly into my crease with this color. Do y'all see how pigmented this color is? Like, OMG. This is such a pretty color. All right, y'all, I had to pause and think because I'm recreating this look and I don't remember what I used. I like drew a blank. OMG. All right, but I'm back. I remember now. All right, and I'm gonna take this medium eyeshadow brush and I'm going to go back into the palette and I'm going to go into Passion right here. Actually, I'm just gonna take my finger. And this is like, oh my God, this color is so pretty. Oh my God. It's like a rusty burgundy, but I feel like it's like a little bit of brown burgundy, rusty burgundy. And I'm gonna put that on the center of my lid and take it a little bit into the corner, just using my finger. And I usually don't use my finger, but you know, watching other YouTubers, sometimes with shimmer, your finger can be the best to place it because sometimes a brush can kind of take away what you already had in place. And your finger doesn't really do that. So I appreciate a good finger application. And I'm taking it like up to my crease and a little bit into there too, because I just like the way that looked last time I did it. And see up there with the colors on my eyes, it looks a little pinkish. So I was gonna say it has some pink flecks in it. And I was right. All right, now that we have that color on, we're gonna go back with this, with a pointed blending brush like this one. And I'm gonna go back into the crease in the outer V, but I'm gonna go in with Connie, which is this purple color. And now I'm going back with that super fluffy brush and I'm gonna go into Friday and add some of that color right here. And I like this brush because I can go back and add color and blend it at the same time. Then I'm gonna go back with some of Sunset, just a little bit, just to add some of that orangey reddish back in there. Then I'm gonna take a detail brush. I have this one from Itsmyrayeraye. And I'm going to go into Tiffany right here. Focus, camera. There we go. And Tiffany is like a burnt orange. I don't want to say it's bronze or copper, but it's in between. And I'm going to use that as my inner tear duct highlight and take it a little bit onto my lid and on that lower lash line in my tear duct. All right, now we need to like bring this whole look together because right now it's like popping up here and then down on your lower lash line it's like nothing. Can't have that. All right, so I have this shadow brush. It's a little bit loose. It's a little bit looser. It's not like a packed shadow brush. And I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna go back into those same colors that are on my lid and I'm gonna put them on my lash line. So I'm gonna start with Spice, like we did on my lid. All right, so we have Spice, it's going all over. Now we're gonna go into Sunset. And Sunset, I'm focusing more on the outer portion of my lower lash line. I'm going into Friday. And as I'm putting it on my lash line, I'm connecting it up here. And then last but not least, I'm actually gonna use this blending brush to put Connie on. And Connie is gonna focus on the outer portion. And then just connect it with Connie on the lid. All right, now I'm going to line my waterline with this black Kohl liner from E.L.F. And that line on the bottom doesn't have to be thick or heavy. You're just bringing some definition back to the eye. And then we're gonna do a slight wing on the top. we just need some mascara. All right, for the cheeks, we're gonna go matchy-matchy. And I'm gonna start with a cream tint, so 2 fingers. And then on top of that, I'm going to put Valentine. So for highlight, I'm gonna use Radiance, and I'm gonna use this fluffy highlighting brush. It's like a blending brush, but it can be used as a highlighter or a blending brush. So I already told y'all this look is matchy-matching. So the lips are gonna match the cheeks and the eyes. So I'm gonna be using the Ellari lip pencil along with the Ellari lippy stick from Colourpop. I'm just gonna use the same brush I used for my concealer to go back and clean up around my lips. This one is from BH Cosmetics. Sorry, I go overboard with the setting spray because I love the way it feels. All right, y'all, here is the finished look. I love this look. Like, I feel like I could go even deeper with this lip. I have this lip from Urban Decay called Disturbed. Oh my God, that would look cute with it too. But this is legit about to be my everyday eye. And all these shadows are from Itsmyrayeraye. One palette. I love this look. I hope you all enjoy. I hope that you can recreate this look for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, beauties. Before you go, I want you to go down below and click that red subscribe button, and right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Again, thank you for watching, beauties, and I'll be sure to see you in the next one. Bye.